Hey. Let me go ahead and reduce the music. Not sure if you guys can hear me or not. I really don't care. It's the weekend and I'm just gonna do whatever the hell I want to. Let me try and turn on the YouTube chat box. Does this work? Let's see. I don't think this works. If it does, it does. Brian, hey, how's it going, man? Brian's actually here. By the way, guys, this dude over here, this Asian dude, he's my bestest friend in the world. I owe almost all of my success in life to this guy, because, well, pretty much he saved my life. Him and Krisha's family. Krisha's mom and dad saved me too, before Krisha decided to give in and finally start dating me. Hey Moru, how's it going, man? It's the weekend, boys. It's time to be relaxing, being stress-free, doing it the mango way. Yo, Brian, we playing tomorrow or what? Can you guys hear me? Let me know if you guys can hear me. I'm not sure. As you guys know, I'm new to the stream thing. Oh, Krisha is holding a bottle of rum. Guys, Krisha's walking around with alcohol in her hand. She's up to something.
Always up to something.
Okay, cool. Fukao! Oh my god, Fu! Man, it's so good to see you active, man. I'm not even sure if you're a guy or girl. I'm 85% sure you're a guy. But just in case, let me know. But so great to see you active in the Mango Sea program in the past day or so, couple of days, and now you're here too. Do you guys want to look at any charts before I start playing some Brawlhalla and losing? It's the 85% awesome. So I guessed right. I guessed right twice now. Theta. We did a video on Theta, man. There's a video we did on Theta like 15 minutes ago. More like I think 1 hour ago we posted it. Yeah. So I just took a loss on Theta, by the way, guys. So everybody thinks I only have wins. I just took a loss on Theta. This goddamn thing. I got into position and it dumped on me right after. Let's go ahead and look at it. Go ahead and look at it. We'll talk about my loss. Freaking weekend and I'm losing money here. But one of my coins has already pumped 10%, and I entered like just this morning and it's doing well. So you're gonna lose, man. You're gonna lose. You just gotta forget about them. By tomorrow, I'm gonna forget about Theta, and I'm never gonna talk about the loss again. And you just move on and take the same trade. So yeah, if you guys do watch the video, go ahead and watch the video and think about what we were talking about in the video. Let me go ahead and actually zoom in on this for you guys. Again, forgive me because I'm new to the stream thingy. I'm gonna increase the chart. Cool. Okay, this is KNC right here. Man, I'm so happy KNC is dumping. So happy KNC is dumping. But let me switch on to Theta for you guys. Theta BTC. Alright, so it's likely going to bounce over here, but I'm already out of my position, and it's going to bounce right after I exit. But I did take my trade off this 200 moving average, right? A big reason why I took my trade was because we took this 200 moving average back. What I wanted at the very least was to close 2 4-hour candles underneath. I was a little aggressive on this one. I talked about it in the video too. And I made sure to warn you guys that it's not the perfect setup, etc., but I wanted to take the trade anyways because I have momentum going for me right now where I have a lot of wins behind me, and I'm going to use that to my advantage to take aggressive trades, right? Because I'm okay giving back profits to the market. I don't want to take losses, but because I've had wins, I'm okay just, you know, being a little bit more aggressive using the momentum. But because we didn't see 2 4-hour candles close right away above that 200 moving average, I got out of the position right away. Just done. Not only that, right? Not only did we not just lose the 200 moving average, but we took out the wick underneath. We pretty much gave back the entire 4-hour candle and then some, and the previous 4-hour candle wasn't much to write home about too. So I was just wasn't feeling it. There are much better opportunities in this market. This market is so freaking bullish right now. No reason for me to be staying in a trade that isn't giving me that kind of confidence when there's so many other opportunities, because you need to understand, sitting in a trade waiting for it to turn into your direction is also opportunity cost, right? So psychology is really important in this market, guys. Don't ever catch yourselves trying to turn a losing position into break even or neutral just because you're too egotistic. Just get out of it. Lose, take the small loss, and get out. Yeah, so I just took a loss in KNC. Oh, sorry, not KNC, Theta. Anything else? Let me go ahead and go back to the chat. So this is where I'm really regretting getting rid of my second screen, because now I am... Yeah, Jojo dumped on me. I told her about my Theta position, and she dumps on me. I tell her about my Bitcoin position, and I get dumped on. Just don't tell Jojo about any of your positions. Did you guys know Theta is also the symbol for angle? I think it is Greek. Theta, actually, to most of us in the trading world, actually those of us who actually trade options, signifies time decay. So if you're trading options and you're a seller, Theta is your friend. And well, yeah, we'll do an entire segment on options another day. Dude, John, Jojo is like a prodigy, right? She's her what's it called? Jesus Christ, my audio just blasted on me. Her name in Mango Grove, or her nickname, is the Virtuoso. Why? Because she picks up things so fast, learns everything so fast, and then she uses it against her own master. Right? Well, I was her master. Now the student has surpassed the master, and she's not only teaching me, but she's dumping all her bags on me. And yeah, she's teaching me what it's like to be vicious, cruel, etc. She's so ruthless, man. She's essentially profiting out of all of us in the Mango Seed group. She's just so bad. She's so bad. She has no shame about it either. She has no qualms. Bait us into taking trades, then dump on us. And then when we are looking to sell, she'll urge us on only because she's buying into our sells. She wants liquidity to buy into all of us. To get basically buy into that asset, and she knows she can't buy into the market unless we sell, because the price is going to go up with her big buys. This girl trades in the millions and millions of dollars, and she uses us all. It's painful. It's painful, but well, my ETC is going to dump soon. Then yeah, you shouldn't have told her about her ETC, man. Big mistake. Let's go ahead and look at ETC. It's probably dumping as we speak. She set up her algos already to dump on all of us. You specifically. Not looking good, man. Not looking good. Yeah, you can see the Jojo distribution happening right now, right? She's pushing the price up a little bit more to bait you into buying a little bit more, right? She's making you think, oh my god, look at that, Fukao. We closed about these horizontals right over here. It's time to buy. It's time to buy. But all she's doing is selling into you, man. You see this wick over here? We call this the Jojo wick. Right here. It's a freaking Jojo wick. Oh my god. Hold up, Krisha's saying something. Yeah? Yeah, sure. Krisha just offered me a drink. How can I say no to that on the weekend? By the way, guys, I'm thinking of starting a channel called Mango Drinks. It's not gonna be about just mango juice drinks. Well, it'll be about that too. But just basically, I wanna start my career, or like, what's the word I'm looking for? I want to begin, right? Begin. That's the word I'm looking for. Begin. I want to begin my career towards bartending. I'm very close to retiring, and I want to just learn how to bartend. Open up a beach shack on the beach, beach shack on the beach. But I need to know how to serve alcohol, right? I need to know how to make good drinks, and I know nothing. Fortunately, one of the guys who joined the seed program is a professional bartender, Alex. I'm not sure if you're here, man. Chapo. Al Chapo. And he's going to teach me. He's not promised or anything like that. Let me see if he's awake. I'm going to text him. Al Chapo, there he is. The journey has begun. Yo, Al. Get on the stream, man. We're talking about you. Alright, so any questions, guys? No questions. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and play some Brawlhalla. You guys can watch me play. FYI, I'm really bad at this game. But I enjoy it. That's all that matters. Let's go switch on to a chart that actually matters. I mean, KNC, ETC does matter, don't get me wrong. What should we switch to? I guess the big daddy of them all. No, actually, let's go on to KNC, man. I'm really looking for KNC and Ami and Zilliqa. I'm looking for both of these to dump it. Oh, Tenkin right there. For Tenkin is where I'm going to be probably looking to be a buyer, unless it happens today. If this gets here today, I'm not going to be buying because, hey, it's the weekend and I want to kind of relax. Hopefully this is like tomorrow, perhaps Monday. Monday would be nice if it's still here. That's KNC. Do you think BTC will be tested again around $7,000? Of course you hope so, Jojo. Of course you hope so. I don't know, man. It's hard to say. We'll take it one step at a time. Because right now the way I'm seeing it is BTC is getting defended really aggressively at that 2-day 21 EMA. Once we lose that 2-day 21 EMA, we can look towards 8,600. We lose 8,600, then we can look $7,000, right? But it seems like everyone wants to buy $7,000, and we may not get that. It seems to, you know what the secret is? The secret is to be buying, or rather selling puts at 7,000, either like expiration of around 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and keep collecting premium there. And if the price does come, just take assignment, right? That's the secret towards trading that secret area. Been collecting so much BTC there, man. As the days are ticking on, just like, all right, thank you very much. Cause no, I want to buy there too. And if it comes down there, it's good. If it doesn't come down there, it's still good. The 2-day wicks are pretty bullish in my opinion. Yes, sirree. Made so much money just trading that goddamn 2-day 21 EMA. There's no one from the seed in here. Where? All chat seed. Okay, so Inspector Crypto is in here apparently, but he's not talking. Krisha just made me a drink. Did you make me the Hulk?
Yeah.
No, that's just okay. Oh, so I'm not sure if Tommy's here, but after the time he named that drink, where I posted a picture of the drink, the green drink, and he called it the Hulk. That looks like a Hulk drink. Krisha and I decided to name that drink the Hulk. So yeah, we're gonna start a YouTube channel called Mango Drinks or something like that, and you guys better all subscribe. I mean, we're just gonna make drinks. We're just gonna make. This is gonna be like alcohol pouring into alcohol. Richard, you gotta type in there. Do you have a typewriter there? Typing is super loud. Am I typing, man? Apologies. I have a mechanical keyboard. Maybe that's what's. Yo, where's Brian? Brian. Brian. Let me go on WhatsApp. Justin's like gulp. No, it's Jojo. Justin's clapping. What do you think about KNC right now? It's dumping, man. Let's go ahead and look at KNC. I'm enjoying it. Oh, it's right here, KNC. Okay, so I'll tell you guys what was important with KNC. When was the big sell signal for KNC? Right over here, man. As soon as he lost 1 to what's this wick over here? 12904. As soon as we lost that, man. If I could have shorted this, I would have shorted the hell out of this. Can you short this? I'm not even sure if Binance allows you to short this, but that was it. That was it. So if you look at your oscillators, of those of you in the Mango Seed program who have watched the oscillator module, this was basically an opportunity to realize that price is going to dump or short into it. Bearish divergence. This is actually not looking too bad over here. And yeah, this point over here got triggered right over here at 12805. Sorry, what was it again? I said 12905 ish. May actually make our way all the way down to the 21 EMA, but I do think we'll get picked up on the Ichimoku, on the Tenkin, or perhaps the 10 SMA. This is trending so aggressively that I wouldn't bet against the 10 SMA. Right, so that was your trigger right there, man. That was your trigger. We lost the 10 SMA on the 4R2. Best case scenario, we get picked up over here, man. 4R Tenkin. FTX allows you to short KNC, eh? Oh yeah, because they just released it. Yeah, it was like yesterday or something. FTX is releasing coins too fast, man. Too fast. So like, it just doesn't make sense. So usually when I play the experimental mode, I get my ass kicked in this game. People are so good at this game. Okay, so you see how his name's all like highlighted and he has all these cool things around his avatar? It's because he's probably taking this game very seriously and he's going to kick my ass. So watch me get embarrassed. So not only did I lose a trade on Theta today, but I'm going to get my ass kicked here. I'm the white girl, guys. The white girl with the brown skin. Oh, haha. Oh. Doesn't this guy know guns are illegal? Only cops are allowed to carry them? Yeah, motherfucker. Wow. I was about to say he hasn't touched me and that happens. Okay, I'm gonna. Boom! In your. Oh shit. Punch! This guy's toying with me, man. He's pretending to do things and he has no intention of doing them. There you go. Okay. There you go. Oh! There you go. Oh! That was so close. Haha! Oh! Oh, there you go! Dumped! Dumped! Okay, guys, you think I'm gonna get the... No! I'm throwing a bomb on his face. No, my bomb! My bomb! Oh my god. Jesus Christ, man. Oh shit! Okay, survive, Sean. That's all you need to do. No! No! Okay, okay. You got this. You got this. Boom, boom, boom! Combo! Oh shit. Okay. Oh my god, I'm still alive. So if you guys haven't noticed, we each have 3 lives. I already killed one of his lives. I'm gonna bait him here. Boom! This is some Jojo techniques here. I'm baiting him into buying this. Oh! No! There you go. Oh my god, he's actually good and I'm surviving. Oh my god, he's frustrated. You can see he's frustrated. This is where emotions... You're seeing the emotions, guys. Look at him, look at him. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's rage quitting. Oh my god. That's too funny. That's too funny. He rage quit. That's hilarious. Why is yeah, yeah. Oh my god, Brian. It's funny that you said that. Because I didn't know you said that, and I was going to say that's exactly what my best friend would say. Yeah, we can. Yo, Brawlhalla is a really like. It's a game about ego. Like this game's all about reading your opponent and outplaying your opponent. Blah blah blah. You don't even need to be that good with the controller. You just need to be able to predict what the opponent does, and so it makes the game so frustrating. I've gotten my ass handed to me so many times in this game, man. So so again, for those of you who are just tuning in, Brian is one of my best. He is my best friend. I've seen this dude be so ruthless when it comes to FIFA, man. His brand new girlfriend, brand new girlfriend that he's trying to woo. He destroys her at FIFA. No qualms whatsoever. In front of everyone. And then he starts taunting her. In front of everyone. At a party. This guy is the most competitive dude I've ever met in my life. Which is good for me. Because it keeps me sharp. But holy shit, man. It's so ruthless. And because of that, he gets so good at games so fast. If he's playing against someone who's really good. It's fun playing with him because he doesn't like give up ever. He just always tries to get in at least a single win. That's the kind of thing you need in life, you know? That never give up attitude. Hey Dennis, how's it going, man? Tiffy Richardson, I'm seeing you here for the first time. How are you? Welcome to the Mango Grove. By the way, guys, you all have Moru in your presence. Moru is your main man when pertaining to the dashboard. So if you guys have requests or anything like that for the dashboard, let us know. We'll go over it today. And here you are, Moru live. Shall I dump it? Oh my god, Dennis, are you the same guy? Yes, it's this dude. In the last stream, he's like, I'm going to dump Bitcoin. Oh my god, this guy's like, I'm going to dump Bitcoin to 9,100 or something like that, he said. And he's like, guys, tell me how much to sell. Guys, tell me how much to sell. I'm going to dump Bitcoin. He actually did it. It was either the world's biggest coincidence or he's actually a whale coming onto the Mango chat and dumping Bitcoin. Yeah, you did, man. I remember that. I remember you. So do it again. I'm ready. I'm ready this time to buy. He's gonna do it again, guys. 20 minutes. If this actually works out, man, Dennis, like seriously, I'd consider it an honor that you're spending time in the Mango chat when you could be doing so much more with your time. Do I know why? I didn't even know Tfuel exploded, man. Let's go ahead and look at it. Holy shit. Wow. It did explode. What? 80%? So what's the difference between Tfuel and Theta? Could someone tell me? Wouter, are you here, man? Wouter knows everything about it. Wouter is the co-founder of Theta, by the way. Dude, Dennis, if Bitcoin doesn't dump in 18 minutes, you're going to be tarnishing your legacy. So you better make sure it dumps, man. Don't ruin a good thing. You have 5 minutes to take that back. Because in 5 minutes, I'm going to be expecting Bitcoin to dump. He waits form? What does that mean? Oh my god, he's actually gonna dump it. I better get onto my debit. Okay, you know what? I have a plan for this. I'm gonna make a test account. Put some BTC in there. Wow, this thing wants to see continuation, man. I should have longed Tfuel, not Theta. You will show yourself? What do you mean by you'll show yourself? You mean you'll dump Bitcoin? Don't show yourself, man. This is a family-friendly channel. There's a good trade to be had over here, eh? From 130 to 180. Really good trade. Jesus, what the hell, man? Yeah, Amit, so true. I was expecting the stream to like just be nothing. Can you let us know what you think of Tfuel? Dude, I'm looking at Tfuel right now. And what may have caused it. I have no idea. Dude, okay, what may have caused it to explode? Okay, this is what I can tell you. Because I don't follow fundamentals on any of these coins, all coins. It's a falling wedge after massive volatility towards the upside already, right? So let's go ahead and look at this, okay? Let's look at this. For the longest time, this thing was bot traded. Boom, 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 boom. Massive volatility, alright? Now, any trader who knows what he's doing is going to be trading based on volatility. Once you see that kind of volatility, you gotta always keep that volatility in mind. And when you see a falling wedge like this break out to the upside after seeing such crazy volatility in the weeks preceding it, you're going to see a massive move like this. So yes, this looks like a explosion, 80%, right? Yes, it does. But what was this explosion? 233%. And what was this one from here? What was it? Another 200%, right? Let me do that again. I need a new mouse. Yeah, 200%. So 200% each time. So it's not unreasonable that we see half that volatility on a breakout of a falling wedge that took place over a period of 15 days. 15 days of a downtrend. So it broke a 15-day downtrend, and boom, that's what you see. That's the reason through a technical analysis perspective. And look at the volume that came in there. Jesus. I see you, Jojo. When Jojo says she's off to bed, it means she's dumping Bitcoin. I listen to you, man. But there's just nothing I could do. I was listening to every word he's saying. What do I do? You're dumping in Bitcoin, but you're not breaking any support levels. When you start breaking key support levels, man, that's when I'm going to care. Until then, it doesn't mean shit to me. No one's losing money in this community, man. Because nobody's going to be selling Bitcoin until we break some key levels. Nobody who's actually following the things we teach in this community. No. Bots follow in, but you need to understand that bots have been algorithmized. That's not a word, I just made it up. By human beings, right? So don't ever fall into that, or don't ever think that because it's bot trade, it's not real, right? A bot has been coded by a human being. So when you see a breakout in something like Theta like that, and you see follow through, whether it's a bot following through with those buy orders or not is irrelevant. It's a human being who has coded the bot to do that. So it is natural regardless, man. No, man, I'm not. I didn't close my QKC trade. Let me go ahead and look at it. I have no intention of closing it anytime soon. I'm looking to add to my position. If you watch the video, dude, this is not coming down, man. Don't get me excited. Oh no, oh no. Okay, so I'm hoping for it to come down like somewhere around here and then add to my position. So I thought it came down further, but this just looks like a long wick. This is not coming. This is not quote unquote coming down. This is just a retracement of resistance that we were talking about. Right, this is what I mean by not getting too excited about buying into resistance. Even though it looks so good, don't want to get too excited ever. Remember, I got my position at 53.54 Satoshi, man. I'm sitting pretty. It was only if we start closing underneath or wicking underneath 50 Satoshi, that's when I start getting worried. But to be honest, I will be holding on tight until we start closing underneath 45 Satoshi. Dude, I'm not smart when it comes to this. Don't make that mistake, and don't ever fall for anyone's okay, it's the wrong word to say fall. Don't rely on anybody else's technical analysis to make a decision, right? I don't think you're relying on my technical analysis to make a decision, but don't assume, how about this, let me put it this way, don't assume that I'm any smarter than you are, right? You need to have confidence in yourself to be able to do this as well, because let me tell you, you can do this. People who do technical analysis, they're not that smart. It's not the TA that makes people good at this game. It's the emotional capacity to follow up with your TA after that. Alright, so don't give me too much credit. And the reason this channel exists is for you to be able to do this yourself, to learn from what we are doing and to do this yourself. So understand that you can do everything that I am doing, and you can probably do it better. You will probably do it better too if you just put your mind to it and have confidence in yourself to follow up with the emotional responsibility that comes with it after. I've been doing it myself for a while. I just came randomly to your stream and wanted your second opinion. Yeah, that's fine, man. I'll give you a second opinion. Dr. Sean with his second opinion. Let's go. Tfuel, what's it gonna do? I mean, you can see the horizontals I placed in, like, I placed these horizontals, or I rather did this TA just without even thinking about it while I was talking to you guys, and you can see that I marked these horizontals here apparently at 180 Satoshi and 130 Satoshi. Oh yeah, I did talk about this. If we break this level over here at 132, we're likely going to make our way all the way up to initially at the middle of the range. This chart's actually pretty technical, right? You can see that it's probably exactly the middle. Wow. Yeah, so you have resistance over here, which is pretty much the middle of the range between 180 Satoshi and 157 Satoshi, and 133 Satoshi is the current resistance. We've gotten rejected off that a couple of times. Not only are seeing a rejection, but we're seeing follow through towards the downside. We took out this wick low over here. If we close this candle at around 117, I'll be expecting for the downside at least to around 106 Satoshi. So there's resistance overhead, man. There's no trade to be had over here. So it doesn't matter whether I think it's going to come down or not. There's no trade over here. There's no trade. You can go ahead and look at the Ichimoku. So guys, Dennis is saying that in 10 minutes he's going to dump Bitcoin, and I believe him, man, because last time he did it. So we're going to go ahead and watch. I'll play a game of Brawlhalla before that. This is likely, if I had to really put a gun to my head, first key level would be somewhere around here, but yeah, so this is how I think it's going to play out. The 10 SMA is likely going to make its way up to this level over here at around 107, and you're going to see price get magnetized. I'm making up words today, guys. You're going to see a magnetic pull towards that 10 SMA on the 4 hour, and likely get picked up over there because this is such a strong trend, right? Or Tfuel is rather... All coins are being strong, man. It's not just Tfuel, it's almost everything. How's it going, Robert? How's it going, Richard? Hey! My favorite Mango Seat members are all in here. Richard is like one of the most old school members ever. Like, he was reading Mango when I was writing fundamental analysis on freaking Ethereum, Bitcoin, and even Radix. I think he's more so here because of Radix than anything else. So everybody give major props to Richard. I have a lot of love for the guy because he stayed with us through a lot of ups and downs in these markets. Last time we made BTC dump, dude, I've never made oh, he's talking about Dennis. He's talking to Dennis for sell. Why would anybody sell BTC because you're making a dump, man? People are looking to buy more because you're making a dump. Everyone's excited to buy more Bitcoin because you're making a dump. See, Theta is coming down right now. Let's go look at the 1 hour. I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, I just want to play some Brawlhalla. Okay, so you said 10 minutes, right? I'm going to scroll up. Let me see. You said 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes. Okay. I'm going to switch on over to BTC, man. Where you dumping this to, man? Don't just tell us you're dumping it. You got to give us a target. Last time you gave us a target, which is good. I think it's gonna pump you, man. Unless you're Jojo in disguise, making us sell so you could buy into our cells. This guy's Jojo. Do you guys realize how Jojo disappears and Dennis shows up? Did you guys realize that? Oh my god, Jojo's Dennis. Do you guys hear the music, by the way? Or is it too soft, too loud? Let me know, eh? You are Jojo, don't lie to us. The fact that you're denying it makes it proof, even further confirms that you are Jojo. Dubai, Australia, same thing, man. Kangaroos in the desert. She's a whale in the mango seed community that dumps on us every single time we tell her we're going long. I mean, you're the whale, right? I mean, don't pretend, man. You're not fooling me. You're not tricking me. You're from Dubai, man? I want to visit Dubai soon. I haven't visited Dubai in like more than a decade. Everything's dumping now, damn. Are you dumping everything, man, Dennis? Yo, Zil, get down here. Aw, thank you, Dennis. I like you too, man. Yo, Dennis, I'm not trying to make fun of you or anything. Yeah, don't get me wrong. I fully believe that you're dumping Bitcoin on us. You guys seeing how beautiful the shot is? I think around 3 minutes. It's making people poor now, man. This market just getting started. Okay. I'm playing a wolf. Playing a goddamn wolf. Bro! Let's go. Okay, again, for those of you just tuning in, I'm the white girl. Okay, he's a nice dude. I'm gonna let him pick up his weapon. Alright, let's go, man. Let's do this. Yeah. Let's do. Oh my god. Who touches who first? Am I going to touch the wolf, or is the wolf going to touch me? Oh shit! I touched him. Yeah. No. Smart man. Smart wolf. No. Go. Jesus Christ. Okay, take a break. Nope. There you go. Boom! Wolfman. You're not good for me. What are you playing against? It's just a matchmaking, man. I call him Wolfman. Oh my god, he's punching me. Krisha isn't playing with me because she's making me a feast today. Oh shit. honestly, Krisha is no fun to play against. She's too good at dodging me, man. She knows me too well. Go! No, shit. Could have trapped him in there. Doom! Oh my god! So wrecked! So wrecked! Oh my god. I feel bad for him. I mean, Jesus Christ. Poor guy. Oh my god. He's panicking, guys. He's panicking. It's like when Bitcoin's dumping into support and you don't know what to do and you sell into the daily 21 EMA, or worse, you sell into a 2-day 21 EMA. Like, who does that? Oh my god, he's so comboed. Do they match you on ranking? Yeah. But you can never predict my ranking because I don't take this game seriously. I mean, I don't even know how good I am at this game. Boom! This game is all about how well you are able to predict people at at a particular day. There's some days where I'm just too brain dead to do anything. Oh my god, that was well done. Oh my god. Oh, I 3-0'd him! Guys, I 3-0'd 2 guys in a row. Oh my... Like, you guys are my lucky charm, man. 3 hours. This time, I break 9,330. My friend, break it to... Okay, so you are going to break 9,330. And then your friend is going to come in and break 9,260. Jeez, if that pans out, man, like, jeez, I'm just gonna be like, Jesus Christ, man, this market is ridiculous. I'm not gonna trade Bitcoin anymore. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not. I'm gonna wait for you to do it 2 more times in a row before I stop trading Bitcoin. I buy Tfuels and sell. Wrecked lol. Yeah, that guy got wrecked. Okay, this guy says, let me see. It's an adult stream. There's a lot of touching here. Yeah, man, freaking a lot of touching. And it's not just any touching, right? It's like bestiality, touching a wolf and shit. How to recover Unibright on Binance? I think you commented, right, man? My friend was distracting me, and I was trying to send my Ethereum to my Ethereum Binance wallet, and I accidentally sent UBT to my Ethereum. Listen, I asked you a question in the comment section. Is UBT an ERC20 token? Because if it is, and you send UBT to your ERC20 wallet, your Ethereum wallet, it should be there, man. It should be there. You just gotta like put in the token ID and shit like that, and it'll show up. So don't worry about it. If I'm understanding your problem correctly. Who are you playing against? I already answered the question. But whatever you do, man, don't fall for any scam that someone may approach you from the stream and say, hey man, I can help you do this, do that, do this. Don't do any of that, eh? Don't listen to anyone. Don't trust anyone. Mostly everyone is trying to scam you. Just assume that. Alright, man. So, Dennis, you gotta break this trend line. Bitcoin's moving up, man. I'm not seeing a dump. you guys hear the music, by the way? Let me know. I'm not. Dennis wants to know why you're not Dennis. Jojo, you gotta explain to Dennis why you're not Dennis. He wants to know. And if you don't tell him, he's gonna dump Bitcoin, man. You gotta save us all. Like, what is the time in Australia? What do you mean no help? I just gave you a freaking answer, man. I gave you a really good answer. There's no better help than that. I don't understand this, dude. I gave you 2 answers. I answered you on the comment section too. All I do is try and help you guys, you know? And when you guys say that, when you guys say I'm not helping, you hurt my feelings. Like, I actually don't sleep over things like that. You guys gotta be careful what you say, man. Jesus. This could be ruining lives. Oh, it's 12 a.m. So I should probably do these streams earlier, just for you and Ollie. At around, maybe next time I'll start around 10 p.m. your time. So how do I know you did not start a incognito on Chrome and have 2 IDs logged in? I can never know, man. You sound a lot like Jojo. Dumping Bitcoin all the time. Like, you never come in and say, hey, I'm pumping Bitcoin because you're long. You know I'm long, so you're dumping Bitcoin. That sounds a lot like Jojo to me. We talked about Tfuel like 20 minutes into the stream, like behind, like maybe 15 minutes, maybe 5 minutes actually. We talked about it twice, so you can go ahead and rewind, man. What's your name? Shainur Warsi. That's actually a really cool name. Shainur. Like, do people, what do your friends call you? Shai? Noor? Noori? Noori? I'd call you Noori. If I knew you, I'd call you Noori. I wouldn't call you Shy, because you're probably not shy. It's midnight here in Australia. I don't believe you. I don't believe you guys at all. Justin, Justin, you tell me. What do you think, man? Do you think Jojo and Dennis are the same person? How do you say that in good English? Is Jojo the same person as Dennis? Okay, no, let me try again. Is Dennis and Jojo the same person? I can't get right. I can't get right. Who cares, right? You don't need to speak English well if you can trade Bitcoin. This is going to make a decision very soon, though. You guys are seeing this? Jesus Christ. It's going to probably wick up both directions. Do you know when you're long on an altcoin? Okay, when you're long an altcoin, you're inherently short Bitcoin. So what Jojo's gone and done is she's shorted Bitcoin on Deribit or whatever leverage exchange she's using, and then she's gone and longed altcoins too. That's ballsy. Like, she has no confidence in Bitcoin whatsoever, even though it's oh my god, Jojo. It's good. Look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is just going sideways. Like, this is the perfect setup for altcoins, by the way. I don't think we'll see a better setup for altcoins. Okay, this is a coin I've been looking at, guys. I wanted to do an altcoin analysis on this one. Oh man, yes sir. So I got into this one too. Didn't get time to do a video on this, but CTSI, this one has some strong potential. So a big heads up for you guys. CTSI, there are a few more I'm looking at. Alright, should I tell you guys? If we get, okay, how many likes do I have on this? How many likes do I have on this video? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my. I wanna see how many likes I have on this video. Live, we can live stream. How many likes do I have on this? Okay, I have 9 likes, but there are 24 viewers. If we get 15 likes on this video, I'll tell you guys the other coin I'm looking at. A couple of others actually. 24 likes. Sorry, 15 likes, right? We have 24 viewers. Why do I have only 24 viewers? Are you guys sharing the video, man? Jesus Christ, I feel so unloved. Okay. I know what I'm doing wrong. My title is wrong. I gotta edit my title and make sure the word Bitcoin is right at the front. Bitcoin analysis. Really? Did it really? Oh man, Jesus Christ. This shit works. Yo man, last time I had like 100 viewers, and this time I spent time on making such a pretty thumbnail. It says weekend chill, trade and chat, and there's no one freaking here. What the hell? Last time I like put no effort into it at all. Alright, let's go. Let's show you guys what I'm looking at. It's BTC. Yo, Dennis, you're not doing a job, man. You're supposed to be dumping Bitcoin. What's going on? Let's go look at Bitcoin. Oh my god, this is gonna pump, dude. If we see 1 hour candles close above 9,447, I think we're gonna make our way up to 9,479. But likely, maybe test 9,500 again, man. I'm actually waiting for the weekly open. I'm likely also, by the way, guys, going to get out of most of my altcoins by Sunday evening. Okay, so be very careful trying to follow anything I post on. Okay, let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Poly BTC. Quick in and out because I don't want anyone else to. More so Jojo. I don't want her to be dumping on us later. But this one, man. Look at how it's been following the weekly Tenkin over here. Ever since it closed above over here and took out these highs over here, right over here. Go and post this high. Let me change the color for you guys so you guys can see. Right? We took both of those out, started holding the Tenkin, tested it, bounced up again. I think this could really pump. But be careful, low liquidity, shitcoin, blah blah blah. But there's opportunity, man. You can put in a small amount and still make a lot. Let's see what this could. 104% before the Kijun C-span trade. In fact, this could make its way up to. I think actually could make its way up to this zone over here. Edge to edge lining up. Yes, it does. Beautiful. I'm actually looking at this on the Ichimoku on 3 days for the first time, but this is one of the things I do like. I've not gotten a position on this just yet, but what the hell is burning? Krisha? Oh my god, am I too loud? I think food's burning, man. She's supposed to be cooking me a feet full. Bouncing off it. Let's see what the 21 EMA is saying. Yep. Well. Actually, 21 EMA is not telling us much, but just the general direction of the trend. Could make its way up to the top of the Kijun, top of the cloud, guys, and that's lining up with the horizontal I marked. Like, it's crazy. I can almost visualize the cloud in my head these days. This is breaking up, man. It's actually gonna break up. Holy crap. Make our way up to 9,551, maybe. An error has occurred. Okay, I think I know what's going on. People don't know that this is a Bitcoin analysis video because... Do you guys like this background? Or maybe I should put a white background. Let's do this. Okay, what's going on here? What's this morph thing? What is this? It's hero time in this 1v1 3 stock transforming battle. Choose one weapon each from 3 of your favorite legends in character select. I don't have 3 favorite legends. Activate your power like Omnitrix. Sounds like a shitcoin. With the throw button to change forms. Weapons are always equipped and cannot be picked up or thrown. I have no idea what this means. Let's go ahead and play. Joe, why would you do this on the weekend? Who sleeps so early on a weekend, Joe? Like, really? Like, really? Aw. Everybody's so sweet to Jojo. She dumps her entire stash on you guys, and you guys are sweet to her. This is how awesome the Mango Seed community is. We forgive. Jesus Christ. This bald dude is wrecking me. Oh my god, what the hell? He's actually good. I may actually lose. What just happened? How did you do that? What am I doing? Is it... Oh, I can change. What? I can do things like this? That's awesome. I didn't know you could... Okay. I don't know how to play those other characters though. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh, he's too good for me. Shake it up, Sean. Shake it off, shake it off. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Well done, man. He's too good for me. Oh, he's going 3 KO me. Oh my god, this is revenge or karma, what you guys want to call it. He's trying to 3 KO me. Oh. Yes, dunked! Slam dunk! Like, what do you basketball fans call that? Kobe O'Brien? What? Oh my god, no. No! Like, there's a weakness I have. I can't play against the spear dudes. I don't know how to fight them. Their range is too much for my aggressive playstyle. If he knew that, he'd be wrecking me. He just doesn't know that I don't know how to play against the spear dudes. Fuck. No. Yeah, punished. Oh my god. I survived through some miracle. Can I take one more? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Boom! Oh! Oh, that was so unfortunate. Jesus Christ. I'm giving him a run for his money. Ah, he got me. Yeah, while I get my ass kicked. He was good, man. Prashant Panta. Alright, do you guys have any requests? Chart requests. I'm taking chart requests, guys. By the way, Theta is bouncing on. Theta is bouncing on the Kijun, I believe. Yeah, it's bouncing on the Kijun. So this was a good buy opportunity. But I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure about this. I think we may actually see a test of the Tenkin. No. Maybe I'm wrong on this. Maybe I'm wrong on this. Let's see. Okay, so RVN. LTC is LTC is looking ugly, man. No point looking at that. It's not much here either, to be honest. Until we actually, I'd be looking only for trade if we get into the cloud and the tanking crosses the Kijun and the 21 EMA starts creeping up. So until then, I wouldn't be too interested in this at all. Not looking good. I'm not saying, I don't say it's not looking good. It's eventually going to get there, but I'll be interested only start looking at it above the Tenkin. Start being really interested about the Kijun. I want to see the Tenkin start crossing the Kijun. Sorry, be really interested into the cloud. Edge to edge trade possibility. Tenkin crossing the Kijun. 21 EMA living above the Kijun. That's what I'm looking for. Until then, not really. Well, that's a daily. Let me go ahead and see what the 12 hour is looking like. No. Is there anything here? I mean, they're easier trades to play, man. Easier trades to play on. If we break this trend line, though, then there's something to be had. Might line up with a break of the. So if we do break the trend line as well as break this region over here, which lines up with the top of the cloud as well as the 200 moving average, and then we want to see the 200 moving average start curling upwards like this, right? 200 moving average angling towards the upside. That's when you start seeing your trending play towards the upside. Until then, the trend is still down on this one, man. This one's actually lagging behind. What's the market cap on this one? Aeon. This one I like. I mean, I haven't looked at it in a while, but usually Aeon looks good. There you go. It's not looking bad. Cloud, well, you guys know. Clouds turn green there, man. You could get an early if you want. Test of the cloud. Well, you already had the test of the cloud right there, so you missed that. But trending towards the upside. Aeon does this, by the way. I've experienced trading this. Tends to just do this forever until it breaks down. Cloud's green too. Look at that. You see this? Right there. Right here too. Right, green cloud starts trending and then dumps straight down. So this looks not bad. Again, better opportunities. You want to find a coin that's trending strong and just trade that. Let's see what Link's doing, man. What's Link doing? Alright, so Krisha says dinner's very soon. I'm gonna have to leave you guys very, very soon. I'll take a few more altcoin analysis trades before. So again, going back to Link, guys, Link's just generally bullish until we actually break this massive weekly trend line. If we do break this trend line, we can take a measured move. It doesn't need to be exact. Say that we do it next week. This is gonna get bad, pretty bad. But this doesn't need to happen because Link is doing horrible. It could happen because Bitcoin decides to take off, right? If Bitcoin starts moving up, and Bitcoin's gonna have to make a decision soon, man. This trend line is coming in all the way from banned BTC. What is that? Aeon BTC, TK cross. Yeah, Aeon could start trending soon. Cloud's green too, so Jesus Christ, man. Bitcoin, it should have dumped by now, man. Like, how long is it going to consolidate against this resistance? It's never spent so much time so close to this trend line, before in the past. I mean, if it dumps too, like, it's going to be a buy. I'm pretty sure people are going to be looking to buy this. This is all the TA you guys need. That's it. Or you could do this if you want. That's it, man. Don't make it too complicated. IOST. I'll go look at band. Oh my god, this one's trending. Oh, nice. Not bad. Not bad at all. Looks like a retest and a break. Break and a retest, man. Nope, I'll be looking to be a buy here. If we break back into the channel, sure, but I'll be looking to be a buyer here. Nate, it's a good shot though, man. I've not heard of this one at all, so not a bad shot at all. Let's get IST. Holy crap! This one has potential. It does have potential. Again, easier shot to play, but yeah, easier shots to play. But to be honest, this one I'd be a little bit more cautious on this one because it gets easier after this level here, right? You could buy here at 49 Satoshi, which we missed already. This zone here, right? And then after that, I guess you could play the middle of the range. It's not. What did I just do? Yeah, it's actually not too bad. Gets easier after this zone here, man. Easier trades to be had. Oh, I like BLT, man. I've looked at that one. That one's good. But liquidity, man. I don't know how you guys can buy this one. There's no liquidity on this. I'm waiting for this one too, but only when liquidity shows up. Liquidity suddenly will show up on this one, and when it does, it's gonna look good. So as soon as we close above this, man, either you get a retest here or you buy here, right? So you want to break. Patience, man, patience. I think towards the end of the year, the last 4 months of the year, is going to be the major area where we start getting aggressive on all coins. Can you guys hear me now? You guys didn't hear me at all? Damn, I'm sorry. Testing. Can you guys hear me now? Let me know. Type in the chat if you guys can hear me. It's a little bit delayed, so I'll wait a little bit before. Alright, he says nope. So you heard me. But what I was saying was that you don't want to be buying into Zilliqa somewhere around here. While okay, let me just do a quick recap on what I talked about. I said that there's no shame or there's no harm in buying a coin that already started trending, right? Zilliqa has already been trending, and each dip over here, each dip was a buy. Each one of these dips was a buy. This was a buy too. Until you get to this area here. This was a major resistance region. And even though here, this was a buy. Okay, this was a buy. But when you see the rejection, and then the rejection again, that's when you start being hesitant and you get out of position. Okay? Especially this candle over here, that was really bad. However, if you wanted to still stay in the trade as a disciplined trend trader, that's completely fine. But as soon as we take out this wick over here at 257, that's your signal to get out, because at that point you're likely going to come down to the 10 SMA. We could get picked up on the 10 SMA over here because it's such an aggressive trending market. But since I'm being a cautious trader, I'd be looking at something like this. I'd be looking at something like this zone over here. If I want to be super cautious, I'd be looking at this over here, this zone over here, right? If you see that kind of volatility suddenly and you see the market dump very aggressively into the Kijun over here at 182 in one fell swoop, you want to be a buyer at this region. At least this is not financial advice, but I'd be looking to buy into this if we see an aggressive dump. If we break that as well, hey, you're going to lose trades. Be okay with that. But the high probability trade is to buy this. However, if we break this level over here on the daily and close underneath it, that's when you know this trend is likely done, and I wouldn't be interested in this anymore, no matter what. So yeah, that's Zilliqa, guys. But that's not just Zilliqa. Any coin that's trending really aggressively, right? There's no harm in buying it. On every dip. Don't wait for a coin. I mean, what I'm trying to say is, don't waste your time putting capital into a coin that isn't moving just yet, right? Waiting for a coin to move while the rest of the market's moving without you is the most painful thing ever. I've done that, man. I'm not making that mistake again. It's kind of like a bus moving, right? Let's say you're waiting for a bus to take you somewhere, and in our case, we are waiting for a bus to take us to profits. Which bus would you hop onto? A bus that's already moving, or a bus that is empty, right? It's empty, nobody's in it, and it's just stationary, right? You got to make that trade-off. Yes, you can be comfortable in a bus that's not moving and is empty, nobody's in it, but that bus may never ever move. You don't know when it's going to start. Or you could get to your destination faster, right? Be a little bit uncomfortable in a crowded bus, but it's moving towards your destination. So I just came up with that analogy, and I think it's a pretty good analogy, but you guys get the idea. Alright, so I'll take one last question before I leave. Alright, seems like we have no more questions. I'm going to go ahead. can you explain about the mango seed? Let me just. Mango Seed program is essentially a program for people who want to be a serious trader. It is not like your other courses. Like, I'm trying to mute my audio here because my music's too loud for me. I'm not sure if it's too loud for you guys. But essentially, the program's not, we don't go into any fancy technical analysis. It's not right off the bat. It's more towards the middle of the program where we dive into deep trend analysis and support and resistance. I don't advertise it as such, but the program's really about risk management. Right off the bat, I start trying to drill in concepts about risk management and essentially talking about thinking like a trader and concepts from game theory and probability thinking, blah blah blah. I try to teach it to the community, rather the Mango Seed members, without really scaring them off. Right, that was my goal right off the bat. Then we dive into trading. Then we dive into support resistance trend analysis and the concepts that will allow you to trade the charts, because in my opinion, if you get too excited about trading the charts and you dive into that without understanding the concepts of thinking like a proper trader, thinking about knowing what trades to take, knowing when to not FOMO, knowing when to stay away, all of that core mindset ideas, you're gonna end up losing all your money, right? Then I take a roundabout and come back into the core risk management, and we talk about how to actually incorporate risk management into your trading with all the concepts we learned with trading the chart. So essentially the core concepts were core modules: candlestick analysis, support and resistance, trend analysis, and hey, you can talk to any of the Mango Seed members. What they're like, I think 4 of them here in the chat. So talk to them and ask them for their honest opinions. It's not for everyone, man. In my opinion, Mango Seed is not for everyone. I have actually had to turn away more than a handful of people, more than like around 10 to 20 people. Actually, no, I don't know about 20, but 10 to 15 people I've had to turn away, because I can kind of tell when people are just looking for a trading group that is all about calls, and that's not what Mango Seed is about at all. You're just going to end up being disappointed if you're looking for calls. People do share their ideas, but everybody is trading their own charts. Everybody's trading their own ideas. In fact, Jojo is dumping on us all the time. Robert is trading completely different markets. Tommy's also trading the stock market, and Robert's trading the stock market too, I believe. But they have completely different trading styles, but they all started learning the same concepts with us, but we don't trade the same things at all. Like today, for the first time, actually, we were all long Theta. And I was like, whoa, that's rare. That doesn't happen often. We're all in different trades. So our group is really about learning and improving, and we're constantly trying to improve. And I'm hoping that in 5 years, we are like already in 1 year, the amount that the group has grown, it's like, it makes me so proud. It makes me so proud that everyone's grown so much, making profitable trades. So many profitable traders now, and I'm pretty sure in 1 year actually less than 1 year, they're going to be traders. More than a handful of traders are going to be better traders than I am, right? Because their goals are a lot more ambitious than mine. And the Mango Seed program gives them the groundwork, the core groundwork that no other freaking community talks about for some reason. Every other community makes it only about winning. But what we teach is that if you stop losing, if you learn how to not lose, winning is just a consequence of risk management. Right, like Foucault said, can't wait for options. And after options, man, it's going to be something else, right? Like me too, right? Like my core principle in life, my core philosophy in life is to constantly learn. That's why I tell you guys, my goal is to retire on a beach with a library next to me, because I want to keep learning. And if I keep having if I still have the drive to constantly teach, I will still teach and teach and teach. One thing I know will never stop is my drive to learn. That will never stop. The reason I want to live forever is because there's so much to learn, and I know I do not have enough years in this life to learn everything I want to learn. That's what scares me more than anything, man, that I'm not going to be able to learn all that I want to learn. Retire in Thailand, beautiful beaches, man. Amit, it's funny you say that. Kusha and I were talking about various islands that we want to buy shacks in. To have we moved from Canada, by the way, to Southeast Asia, somewhere around here. I'm not going to tell you the exact location, of course, but for exactly that. And the goal is pretty much that: Bali, Thailand, Vietnam, where my best friend is from originally. Hopefully we can get him there too eventually. Brian, if you're still here, I think you are. I'm actually really interested in Vietnam, and they've been in my mind's eye for a while. Yeah, I've been talking to a few people, man. Bangkok has some beaches that... I'm actually interested in Brazil too. Yeah, there you go, Brian. My best buddy. Yeah, dude, like Richard, you're so right. We are always learning in seed. Won't take long to get some solid basic knowledge down, though. It's amazing. Just reading the conversations that we have in seed on a daily basis. I am so freaking proud, and we were really lucky. We were really lucky with the kind of people that we drew into the program over there. And now it's on us, man. It's on us, all of us in the seed program, to keep that culture. Because make no mistake, we got lucky. We got lucky with the kind of community we have. We can try as much as we want to kind of to foster that culture, but the kind of magic that we have in seed is luck. We got really lucky, and now it's up to us to not ruin it, and we have to be really careful with that. No, he's not in Thailand. Not yet. Yeah, we have the mango seed, and then we have the mango grove. It's time for dinner, man. That's what it is. I can't tell you the exact time because people kind of figure out where I'm from. Honestly, everyone used to know where I was from. A lot of people still do. But ever since Quisha started coming on webcam and started doing videos, I had to be a little bit more careful about these kind of things. I hope you guys understand. But if you do spend time in the Grove and you spend time in Seed or whatever, you'll pretty much figure it out, man. Just for trying to make it as difficult as possible for people to figure out where I am. But quick tip, like my life is pretty much public on the internet. Just search Sean Dexter. Zahir Khan, Brian Lee, Amit K. Alright, let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna end the stream now if there are no more quick questions. Dennis, you didn't dump Bitcoin, man. Did you dump Bitcoin? Let me go ahead and look quickly at Bitcoin. Dennis was supposed to dump Bitcoin. He lost his credibility. He could have retired a legend, but no, he wanted to come back for another win. Last time he was here, he's like, I'm gonna dump Bitcoin in 10 minutes. Be ready, guys, and he freaking dumped Bitcoin. For all of you who are just tuning in, this was supposedly Dennis, aka Jojo. And he was supposed to cause this right after, but he didn't cause that today. Pummel party later, yeah. For me, it's going to be tomorrow morning, so I'm going to have to eat dinner quickly so I wake up in time to meet you guys. So, for those of you who don't know what to talk about, we've started a tradition. Me and my friends from Canada, where we play Pummel Party and a bunch of other games every night. So rather every Saturday night for them. And I'm not going to tell you guys the time zone for me. But yeah, every Saturday night, Pummel Party, 4 to 5 of us. And if you are interested in joining us in a few hours, around 5 to 6 hours from now, 7 hours maybe, join the stream. We're going to be playing some games, being silly as hell. And I'm going to make it a point now to do these every weekend, maybe starting Friday towards all the way to the Sunday, because I want to... The culture that I'm trying to push towards all of you is that life is not only about making money, man. It's about spending time with all your loved ones. It's about spending this kind of quality time with your best friend on stream, even though you guys are apart now, continents apart, right? It's about spending time with your fiance, your wife, whatever it may be, just enjoying your life. Like, having all that money in my bank account means nothing if I can't spend it to buy the time to spend it with all of you. So remember, Money is a tool to buy you time. Money is actually a reflection of time, right? So all that money sitting in your bank account is actually you having time stored. If you just let it sit and die with that money sitting in your bank account, that's just time wasted. So remember, money is a reflection of time. Do not waste that. Until then, guys, do it the mango way, do it the stress-free way. I'll see you guys very, very soon. The weekend is just getting started. We're going to have fun until Monday comes along, where we're going to ramp it up again and get back to the trading, get back to the trading opportunities. And hey, take losses, take wins, take it all. Just keep on with the grind. See you all very, very soon. Thank you all for joining me. Thank you, Fukao. Thank you, Richard. Thank you, Zahid. Thank you, Brian, for joining. Brian, lots of love, man. Thank you, Ollie. Man, Ollie, seriously, big shout outs to you, man. Staying up past midnight in Australia. I mean, I'm pretty sure the kangaroos are being really, really loud out there, screaming for you to go to bed. Goddamn kangaroos, man. I did not get to see a single kangaroo stand up my entire month in Australia. They were always sitting down or dead on the streets. Why are there so many dead kangaroos? But yeah. Love all of you. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Thank you, sir. You too, man. Good night.